When it comes to upgrading your Ferndale home, few projects make as big an impact as replacing your front or patio doors. Doors are more than just entryways. They protect your home from the elements, boost curb appeal, and provide security. One of the most important decisions you'll face during a door replacement project is choosing the right material. Durability, energy efficiency, and style all hinge on this choice. Let's explore the most popular options and what makes each one a strong contender for Ferndale homes. Steel doors. Security and strength. For homeowners who prioritize safety and durability, steel doors are a top pick. Known for their strength, steel doors provide excellent protection against forced entry while standing up to daily wear and tear. They are also resistant to warping and cracking, which is especially valuable in Ferndale's varied weather conditions. Steel doors are usually filled with insulating foam, making them energy efficient as well as secure. They also come in a wide range of finishes and styles, including wood-like textures, so you don't have to compromise on appearance. The main consideration is maintenance. While durable, steel doors can scratch or dent, which may require occasional touch-ups. Fiberglass doors. Versatility and low-maintenance fiberglass has become one of the most popular door materials for modern homes, and for good reason. It offers an appealing balance of durability, aesthetics, and ease of care. Unlike wood, fiberglass won't warp, rot, or swell when exposed to moisture, an important factor for Ferndale homeowners dealing with Michigan's humid summers and snowy winters. Fiberglass doors can be crafted to mimic the grain of natural wood, giving you a traditional look without the upkeep. They are highly energy efficient and can be customized with decorative glass, panel designs, or paint finishes to match your home's character. For many homeowners, fiberglass strikes the perfect balance between performance and curb appeal. Wood doors. Timeless beauty with added care. If you're drawn to classic style, nothing compares to the warmth and elegance of a solid wood door. Wood doors bring a sense of craftsmanship and charm that enhances traditional Ferndale homes. They can be carved, stained, or painted to match any architectural design, making them a versatile choice for customization. However, wood does require more maintenance to keep it looking its best. Exposure to moisture, sun, and fluctuating temperatures can lead to warping or cracking over time. With proper sealing and care, though, a wood door can last for decades and continue to make a bold statement at your entryway. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and weather-resistant aluminum doors are a less common but highly practical option for certain applications, such as patio doors or storm doors. Lightweight yet strong, aluminum is resistant to rust and corrosion, making it a smart pick for long-term durability. Many aluminum doors feature a protective finish that helps them withstand Ferndale's weather without fading. While not as insulating as fiberglass or steel, aluminum can be paired with thermal breaks to improve efficiency. If you're looking for a sleek, modern look with minimal upkeep, aluminum doors are worth considering. Choosing the right door for your home. When selecting a replacement door material, think about your priorities. Security. Steel doors are the most robust choice. Low maintenance. Fiberglass and aluminum outperform wood in terms of upkeep. Curb appeal. Wood doors deliver unmatched beauty, while fiberglass offers realistic wood textures with less work. Energy efficiency. Fiberglass and steel doors with foam cores provide superior insulation for Ferndale's climate. A professional installer can also guide you through factors such as door placement, budget, and design preferences to ensure you choose the perfect match for your home. Final thoughts. Upgrading to a durable replacement door is an investment that pays off in both function and appearance. Whether you lean toward the timeless elegance of wood, the resilience of fiberglass, the security of steel, or the modern simplicity of aluminum, the right material will protect your Ferndale home while enhancing its value and curb appeal. By carefully weighing your options, you'll ensure your new door stands strong and stylish for years to come.